Hey crew, today's video will be a sweet potato casserole. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We'll be using sweet potatoes, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, ground ginger, condensed milk, vanilla extract, baker's joy, flour, brown sugar, pecans, however you say it, unsalted butter, and 2 eggs. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. Like and comment on the videos. Let's get into this video. Okay, crew, so I cut our sweet potatoes in half and I wrapped them in aluminum foil and I put them in the oven at 425 degrees for 2 hours. Wrapping the sweet potatoes in aluminum foil, they will peel super easy. And I'm just placing them in the pan. I'm going to put them in the oven at 425 degrees. I just took the sweet potatoes out the oven and I baked them for 2 hours at 425 degrees. Alright crew, so we have our sweet potatoes that we baked in the oven at 425 degrees for hour and a half to 2 hours. I think 2 hours I did. And they peel easy since I wrapped them in the foil. So we just gonna mix them up here. So pretty much we're just trying to get the strings out of there. We're gonna start with ground cinnamon, and we're gonna do a tablespoon and a half. Nutmeg, then we have our ginger, and we're gonna do a half a teaspoon of ginger. Then we're gonna go in with salt, a half a teaspoon. Have brown sugar, and this is a half a cup we're gonna go in with. We have white sugar, and we're gonna go in with 1 cup, 1 stick of butter. All right, so we added everything. We're just gonna simply mix it together. So we have 2 eggs that we're gonna lightly beat. Then we're gonna pour it into our dish. All right, so we have the egg here. We're gonna mix this until it's well combined. And shout out to the queen for holding the camera for me. We have evaporated milk. And this is a 12 fluid ounce can. We're only gonna use half of the can, so 6 fluid ounces.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take you.
I'm gonna let Queen give y'all that close up, that famous close up.
Man, that's on you. criticizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost
So
your
guys,
mind
this is
when
our
you
mixture
dropped that
for our
line.
sweet potato casserole. Now we about to do the topping.
Crazy.
Alright crew, for the topping we're going to use a half a stick of butter,
I've been thinking
a half a cup of
lately,
flour,
lately it's
1 cup of light packed brown sugar,
put it on
and some pecans. We're going to use half of the bag. We simply going to make sure that we combine the butter, the flour, the brown sugar, and the pecans really good before we put it on top of our sweet potato casserole. Okay, make sure that your butter is room temperature. And I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up of our topping for our sweet potato casserole. So whatever baking dish you use, you want to make sure that you spray it down either with Ham or Baker's Joy. That way your mixture will not stick to your pan once you put it in there. And here I am adding our sweet potato mixture into the pan. And I'm going to make sure that it's spread it out even in our pan. Then I'm going to turn around and top it with our pecan streusel.
you were never worthy. Lately it's you stole your peace.
Here I am adding into the top of our sweet potato mixture. And let us know what y'all planning on cooking for Thanksgiving. And if you planning on trying any of our holiday recipes. And the playlist will be linked in the description box below. So I have turkey, greens, sweet potato pie, and some more great recipes in that playlist. Once I finish putting the topping on it, I put it in the oven at 375 degrees for 40 minutes. And make sure that you're allowed to cool off all the way. Here's that famous close-up. Then it's going in the oven once again at 375 degrees for 40 minutes. Alright crew, so Queen gonna give y'all a close-up on our sweet potato casserole. And I baked it in the oven at 375 degrees for 40 minutes. And I didn't let it cool, y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. I didn't let it cool, but that's what it looked like. I suppose y'all make sure y'all let it cool first before y'all touch it. But I wanted to show y'all what it looked like. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And y'all already know the saying, pops out. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.